Hi traders, Roberto here, and this is another tutorial, and this one is on the FX advisory indicator that you can purchase on the website fxnorthwest.com. There are three things that I look for before I take a trade using this indicator, because oftentimes you may get a false signal, but if you follow these simple guidelines, then you should be fine. The first thing, of course, is the sell or buy signal that the advisory indicator generates. We're looking at the pound New Zealand dollar on a 4-hour chart. So number one, I need the signal that is generated, and you look here, we have a get ready level at 1.8702 and a buy level at 1.8742. The gap between the get ready level and the buy needs to be quite wide, and in this case it is. The second thing I look for is a candlestick pattern, a reversal pattern. Oftentimes there are 8 candlestick reversal patterns, and if you know those, it makes it a lot easier. In this trading example, we have an inside bar. Notice the inside bar here on a 4-hour chart. The next candle is our buy trigger. Okay, so we have a buy signal, an inside bar, and the advisory indicator is giving us a buy alert. The next thing I look for is, I just want to use another, okay, I'll just use this because I can't find it. I was going to use a square, but here it is. Stochastics on the 4-hour chart is oversold. So I've got 1, stochastics oversold, that's my first signal. 2, the advisory indicator is giving me, it generates a buy signal. 3, I have a reversal candlestick pattern. And this was the trade signal that was sent out a few days ago. And the target was, I believe, 189.40. And it's not there yet, but look at this trade, over 200 pips from the trade signal, or rather the advisory indicator. I actually took this trade late, but the trade actually was all the way here. Okay, let's look at a couple of more. New Zealand dollar, this is another trade signal. This is on a 1-hour chart. Again, we're looking for 3 things: stochastics indicator overbought or oversold, the advisory indicator giving us a buy or sell signal, and then a reversal candlestick pattern. Here on a daily chart, we have a bearish engulfing candle, so this qualifies. We have a get ready level at 67.25, and the entry was 66.86. And so far, this has sold off quite a bit, 81 pips on this trade. Again, we're looking for several things to line up before we take a trade. The advisory indicator will give you a trade, a buy or sell signal, but you want to qualify that buy or sell signal, because oftentimes, not often, but many times, it will generate a buy and sell signal, but you need to qualify that buy or sell signal that the advisory indicator is giving you. And you could do that by simply using stochastics indicator. If you have a buy signal, see if the stochastics indicator is oversold. If you have a sell signal, make sure a stochastics indicator is overbought. It's quite straightforward and simple. Okay, so let's look at a couple more. Euro New Zealand, this is a trade that was taken today. Price hit this 169.74 level. Notice stochastics this is on a 1-hour chart. Stochastics is overbought. We have a reversal candlestick. This is almost like an evening star right there. And so far we're up about 10 pips on this trade. Okay, I'm going to switch over to the template, make it easier to read. This is the USD Swiss. Now I love trading these continuation patterns. Market rallied, came back down, generated a buy signal, and then it just went up, and now we have a sell signal. The value, the important and most incredible thing about using the advisory indicator is that you can trade the volatility, the ups, the swing highs, the swing lows, the overbought and oversold conditions. FX3 generator, agency advisor indicator will calculate those levels, strong levels of support and resistance levels. You don't have to do that. It'll do it for you. All you need to do is qualify the trade by using a candlestick pattern, stochastics indicator, and of course the buy and sell signals. If you have any questions, just email me. You can purchase this online at the FX Northwest website. Have a good weekend. Thanks for watching.